She is a 1995 DuraCraft with a 75 horsepower Yamaha. Recarpeted everything, built all new decking up in the front. Got 12 rod locker. Got some rods in there already. Storage under this front step. Ample storage, stowage for tackle. And 3 custom stow boxes. The original live well has been raised up to be the same level as the new deck. Got our Lowrance in the driver's seat. Soon to have Lowrance up at the bow. All locking hatches, white cap locking hatches. She's ready to go. Let's put her in the water. So we're at Joe Pool Lake today, guys. I'm out here looking for maybe some sand bass. They were jumping a whole lot last week and I didn't have the lures for them, so I'm gonna try to get on them today. So I'm gonna drive around, get some deep water from the graph and see what we can find, and also look at the top waters mainly, see them chasing those bait fish to the surface.